The fire go and run, you know. Get you. See there? Last time we make a fire. Breadfruit. Anything until the next time I come back to Jamaica. So, true story, my people. Hey! I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So, yeah, my people. So, we are say, them breadfruit, got them yesterday. And, you know, cut them, put them for drain. Next thing we know, bam. The breadfruit then roll gone down the gully. Down there, so. Yeah, couldn't find them. Yeah, man. I make a video, I search them. Couldn't find them, I'ma finally find them. You see there? Right in the fire, them I go. And we go roast them. Yeah, man, we go roast them today. Oh, yeah, man. See there? It a go on. On the north coast. What we say? Yeah, the trip was very, very good. Yeah, man. Very, very good trip. See? Still I do what I do. Yeah, man. Them boy, in them house asleep and thing. But know all about getting the things together. You know, making progress every day. Pushing forward, yeah? Yeah, man. See me have the whole cannon over here. Like it. Yeah, man, so good picture will come out and thing. Yeah, man. Blessings, you know. Say blessings. Remember to like and comment, leave a comment so we can know who participate, you see? And we can come back and say, yo, bless up. You know, can reach out to you guys too. Yeah, so drop a like, man. Comment, you know, share it with your friends. I will take your time and build up the thing. Yeah. See me? Thanks for everything. So tell me why. Now I have to go down the gully to look for my breadfruit them. I put them on the table and they decide not to stay. Now I'm here looking for them in the bushes. In the bushes. My God. I wonder where it's at. Crazy. My breadfruit rolled down the gully. I still can't find it. I had 3 breadfruits. Right? Put them on the table. They rolled away. Rolled away. Ha ha. This is serious. Didn't find it anywhere. Still searching for the breadfruit. Didn't seem to find it anywhere. Found one already. Where is the third? I found 2. Where's the third? Nowhere. We found. Hey, there's an almond tree. Jamaican almond tree. Yeah. Searching for one. Breadfruit. Breadfruit, where are you? Trajectory will have taken it down here. Where is my breadfruit gone? Where did it go? Some people still searching. Can't find it anywhere. What's going down? This is crazy. It's crazy. Where did it go? Oh, I wonder if that's it over there. Look. Right under there. Crap. These are custard apple tree. Yeah, if you come from Jamaica, we call them custy. It's a custard apple tree. Yeah. June plum tree. Breadfruit. Oh, I'm loving the country. Country life is nice. And let's see if this is our breadfruit. Yeah. You got the X on it. Yeah. We'll trim it up for roasting. About time. I got cut up for roast. We'll find it finally. Yeah.